In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start an audio chat in Slack and invite friends. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you like to have an audio chat with colleagues or friends or fellow workers in Slack, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is to go to your huddle here and then click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it will automatically give you this pop-up, and this will go ahead and start the huddle. So by tapping on huddle, it will go ahead and launch the chat. Currently, you can see I'm told you are the only one here. Enjoy the tranquility. I can go ahead and invite many by clicking on this, and then I can choose to invite everyone on this Slack workspace to this audio chat. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and click on huddle link, and then just by clicking on it, you can now go ahead and send it to all the members of this Slack workspace. So that's how you can start an audio chat in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.